Hello guys, all the riders, motorcycles especially. Finally, I have my own Cardo Packtalk Pro. First comes first, disclaimer, I am not being paid by Cardo. I'm not affiliated. I am not sponsored by them. I have bought these with my own money. I would be unboxing them and then I would be reviewing them. I have two motorbikes. One is Harley and the second one is Hayabusa. Both of them are really loud and I totally love listening to the music, hearing the directions and attending calls while I'm riding. So Cardo has been phenomenal. I have used different brands, but then nothing till now can touch Cardo. Now this is not my first. I'm sure you know this is the flagship version. I have used Cardo Freecom 2X. I have used Spirit HD. I have used Cardo Neo, Packtalk Neo. Then I upgraded to Cardo Packtalk Edge, which was very good. And finally, this is what I've gotten. I've been really happy with Cardo. No problems, no issues whatsoever. Just the only itch I had was what is with the flagship, like what is it, and what's the difference between a 40mm JBL speakers and a 45. So this was the biggest factor. I wanted this. So I'll just tell you what all the box says. It says 45mm speakers, which is huge. I'm really looking forward to that. There is air mount, so basically it's a magnetic mount which just sticks on its own as soon as you bring the unit closer to the mounting bracket. I'll show it to you. Auto on and off. So yeah, apparently once you install this on your helmet, as soon as you pick it up, it will automatically switch on. Once you keep it down, it will motion sense or something and it will turn off automatically, which is good, because a lot of times I used to just forget switching off my Cardo, and next time I would go for a ride, my Cardo is discharged completely. So this one is big one for me. Natural voice operation, which is voice commands, very helpful, very useful. Over the air software update. So yeah, they do not leave you behind. Whatever new technology comes in, feature comes in, they just put it in your unit via air software update. Crash detection. Now crash detection is you need to set up a number, and as soon as this unit detects that there has been a crash, you have been involved in a crash, there would be an emergency text which would be sent to that particular number which you have decided, and with your particular location. But the only caveat with this is you should at that point of time have to have a cellular network reception. So any remote places, you won't be able to use that feature. I wish that was possible, but no, not right now. Now second gen dynamic mesh communication must be an improved mesh communication. It is waterproof, IP67, and the range for this one is 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers, which is good, and cross brand connectivity. So you can connect this with a Sina, you can connect it with, let's say, a Lexin. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. I will be unboxing this. I'll show you what all is there, all parts are there in the box by the company, and then I'll be installing this on my helmet. Then I will be riding with it and finally giving you the review of how this performs. Though I do not have any doubts about the performance, because I've been using this for a long time, but then I'm looking forward to this Pro. I will be changing the angle now for a point of view for a better experience. So see you there. Alright guys, so this is the box. I'm just gonna open and see what's inside. This is the unboxing of Cardo Packtalk Pro Duo because I would be using it in my next second helmet also. Okay, connect app, I already have it as I'm using Cardo for a while. This is the unit, pretty similar to Cardo Edge, Packtalk Edge, which I had before this. So these are the two units. You can always buy a single unit as well, depending upon your budget. So that's the first thing. It's for catalog, explaining you what are the commands, voice commands and everything, keeping it in the side. Important information here, some guide, a sticker. I don't know who sticks this, but yeah, whatever. Oh, okay. So cute pouch in it with the Cardo branding. This is what I like about Cardo. They're very particular about everything. All right, so each pouch, I guess, would have the speakers and a charging cable. So this one are the speakers. Wow, these look like almost like 40 mm, but yeah, they are 45. I'm sure this one has the second set of speakers and charging cable, so I'm just gonna keep it in the side. The next one is, oh, so they've kept like two boxes this way. So that is the second kit. This is the main kit, or the first kit you can call it. So once I open this, I'm just gonna see. Okay, that's the unit mounting head, or the unit right here. Yep. And usually there's a bracket behind, so that either hooks or sticks to the helmet. Now what I was telling you about the magnetic thing was this. So right here, as soon as you take it near this, it will stick on its own. When you need to take it off, press and push it forward and it will come off. This is very, very convenient in real life. Very convenient. Once this goes onto the helmet, once this is installed on the helmet, it becomes really, really convenient. Right here. And then what else do I have? I have the boom mic. I usually don't use this one. I use the lapel. That's more convenient for me. And then in the second box, I think I've got the brackets, yeah, and the lapel mic. Oh no, this is the boom mic. Oh, okay, this is for the second kit basically. So I'm just gonna keep it back in because I'm not installing that yet, the second one. So I'm just gonna keep this back in. Now this one should have the lapel mic and the mounting brackets. Yep. So that is the lapel mic right there. This is the lapel mic. Straightforward, simple. And this is the mounting bracket, which will be hooked to the side of the helmet. This is what I'm going to use. These are the velcros to stick the speakers in if you're not putting them into those pockets. And this one is a sticky one. You can stick this to the helmet and then put the mounting bracket and then the unit. I don't like this one. Yeah, that usually takes away the whole thing away. Extra stuff, extra tapes, double-sided tape, cleaning wipe. So yeah, this is what we have in the box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly bring my helmet and show you how I install this as well. So right there. All right, guys, I have my helmet right here. By the way, this is the helmet that I've just recently bought from ILM. I have also done the unboxing and the review for this helmet. I just love the graphics. See? Yeah. So I'm just gonna keep it this here on a cushion so that I don't scratch the helmet. The first thing comes first, unbuckle. There are two clips in this one. One, a little bit of a Velcro, and then okay, there it comes off. Simple, straightforward. Now I'm gonna put the unit on the left hand side of the helmet, which is this side right here in the corner. So I'm just gonna keep it over here. This is the clip that I was talking about. This directly goes onto the helmet in the corner. Usually they're good with not scratching the helmet. Hopefully this will not, as this is my brand new helmet. I don't want to scratch it at any cost. So right here, okay, this one is a little different. Yep, this went in, and then this came right up, right here. Whoa, okay. This went inside that shell. That's how these usually fix. I think I can go a little bit ahead. But let's not fiddle too much. It will screw up the whole paint of the helmet, I guess. Here comes the unit. How this works is here, and this goes in. This needs to be a little bit up. The rubber siding from the helmet is just all right, and this is almost there. So this is good. Should be good. So this right here is good. Now the shorter, there are two things. One is for the mic, so I'm just gonna put the mic right here. The arrow needs to go on the arrow side. That's it, simple. This will go right here. I'm just gonna, for now, just keep it right there. I'm not gonna stick it. We're gonna take care of it later. Right, so the mic goes there. Then comes the speakers. So these are the speakers. I'm just gonna quickly unwind this. Now I'm gonna put these first into the speaker pockets to start with, and then if I'm not happy with it, I'm just gonna stick that outside the padding. But for now, I'm just gonna put this in the pocket, because the unit is right there. The small the shorter cable speaker is going to be this side only. So straightforward, 3.5 mm, just connect it. I have got a speaker pocket right here. Hopefully this will fit right in. Okay, there is, good thing is there is some Velcro kind of a thing there, so I'm gonna just okay, sweet. I need to take this side padding off in order to put this side speaker. Yeah, this looks daunting, but once you know what you're doing, it's not that difficult of a deal. Right here. Then I think you gotta just take the back thing and shove everything behind out of your sight, so behind, it doesn't bother you once it's tucked in. Okay, and the second speaker goes right here. Perfect fit, man. Wow. Okay, so once you know it's in there, right there, super happy here, and it goes in. This is all good. Only the mic wire is out. I'm gonna put the side cushion right in here. Oh no, that's the other one. This one, I think so. Yeah, that's the one. So you gotta go in, take the loop out through the hole provided. These are the two locks that we need to click. So there goes the first, there goes the second. Once that is in, then you can shove this in, or maybe first shove that in. My bad. Yeah, you gotta do this to learn this. Simple. So you shove these in first. So you're right here. Okay, this is in. Yep, looks fine. Now I'm gonna push those locks in. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Superb. This was straightforward, simple. Shove that's in. This side is perfect. This usually takes like 5 minutes, guys. Not 5 minutes, and 10 minutes tops. I'm doing this for the first time on this helmet, so it wasn't that bad, right? I'm just gonna put this in right in the corner. I'm gonna use a little bit of a tape. I thought there was a tape right here, but then that's fine. Okay, so you take the loop. Yeah, right here from inside that hole. So I have packed this all up. I have put the mic right here in the corner, not right in the front. You should always keep it in the corner, otherwise it will catch a lot of your breath when you talk on a conversation, on a phone call. I've put everything back. Everything looks ready. Just the final touch, which is the magnetic magic. And which one do I choose? I choose this one. So finally, this is the last piece, and that's it. This is all good. My Cardo is ready to be used. I will set up this thing on the Cardo app, and then that's about it. I will give you the review of how it performs with the 45mm speakers. If you want to see the unboxing and the review of this helmet from ILM, non-sponsored, an honest review, please go to my channel, see that as well. This looks like a beautiful helmet, right? Yeah, so guys, hang on tight. I'm just gonna give the review of how it behaves. Okay guys, this is kind of a testing for the Cardo Packtalk Pro. I have it connected with my camera. I'm going for a ride, seeing how it performs. Let me just adjust this a bit. Slightly better. Let's see how this goes. Get the fuel first thing. I'm out of fuel. The camera is still crooked. I think fogs up pretty quickly. It's a beautiful sunny day for a ride. It was supposed to be raining though, but to my surprise, I woke up to sunshine, which is superb. It's a weekend, it's a Sunday. So yeah, this helmet I've just bought. This is from ILM, and I did the review and unboxing for this as well. Beautiful helmet, beautiful graphics, not that loud, as in the wind buffing is not too much. Not much of a wind noise as well. I like this helmet as well. So yeah, this is my Cardo Packtalk Pro. Very convenient if you want to hear music. Listen to the music is a pleasure on this. Communicating with my fellow riders, my friends, taking phone calls is very, very convenient. I feel if there's something that has to be there with a biker is basically I think after the safety gear, basically gloves, jacket, a riding pant or something, and boots. A communication device like Cardo is a must have for a rider. You can't, I cannot ride without it, because I need to know where I'm going, so navigation is on. It's just so much more convenient if you just have the communication device. I just love my Cardo. I've been using Cardo for a while now. Uh, I had Spirit, then I had Freecom 2X, then I had Freecom 4X, then I had Cardo Neo, Packtalk Neo, then I had Cardo Packtalk Edge, and now finally I have this flagship Cardo Packtalk Pro, and I'm very happy with it. No complaints, nothing whatsoever. This is a testing that I'm doing, connecting my GoPro to my Cardo for vlogging purpose. Let's see how this comes out to be. I have never done this before, but yeah, I got to know that GoPro can connect to your Cardo and you can record stuff, so I thought, why not? Let me use it for my YouTube. If this comes out to be a good one, then it's a win-win. I mean, I would be the happiest guy in the room. Crazy. Yeah, about the clarity of the voice in the Cardo communication device is superb. It's just, I mean, you can't really go wrong with Cardo, and that's the reason they are the leaders in this industry. If you know anyone, any biker who's serious about riding, I think in communication devices, Cardo is on top. I mean, you cannot possibly think of anything better than Cardo. And the good thing is they also have all these different models. So if you have lesser budget, they actually legit start with only, I think, $150, and then this goes up till $600. That is what is this Packtalk Pro is. That's much. But then, yeah, this is made for everyone whoever wants a communication device while riding. I'm on the highway. I don't know, after I see the recording on my laptop, I would be able to know how much is noise cancellation is there in the recording, how well it is recording. But then, yeah, it's kind of an experiment. But about the helmet, yes, helmet is superb, very quiet. I've been using Shark Spartan RS helmet till now, which is not obviously a $1,000 helmet, but then this one is quieter than that. The cushioning is very good. So yeah, good job IRM. And graphics is, you see, graphics is to die for. I mean, everyone gives me that compliment that, dude, what helmet are you using? That looks crazy. Yeah, crazy is good. So yeah, I think this should be good enough to give me an idea how this is working. But yes, the clarity of the volume and the noise cancellation on the call is just perfect with this Cardo. Uh, the speakers are in their pockets, in the helmet pockets where they're supposed to be. So that's perfect.
I'm able to listen to my music pretty well, which is perfect. So yeah, good job, Cardo. I'm gonna stay with Cardo without experimenting with any other device like Cena or anything. So yeah, good job. Keep it up. Stay tuned, guys, for more of such videos, more of motor-logging videos, maintenance videos for the bikes, and travel videos as well. If you want, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you for the next one. Cheers.